here we go. Let's talk about our language skills. And today we're going to be learning about subject and direct objects in sentences. So I know you've heard the phrases, the sentences coming out of your teacher's mouths of make sure you're writing a complete sentence. Well, complete sentences always contain a subject. They always tell the reader what the sentence is about. And often they're direct objects. Both of these are nouns in the sentence that describes what the subject in the sentence is doing with another object. So we're going to be looking at that today, looking at the subject and direct object, nouns, in sentences. So you guys, I want you to remember that a noun is a person. I'll write that down here. Person, place, thing. And our subjects are at the beginning of our sentences traditionally, and so we'll keep that in mind too. All right, so what is a subject in a sentence? The subject tells who or what that sentence is about. Remember, you guys, just a review, this is a little off topic, but every sentence begins with a capital letter. Each sentence has a subject, meaning if someone says, what's this sentence about? You're able to answer that question. If you can't answer that question, then you have left the subject out. It says, watch as I circle the subject of the two sentences below. The boy threw the ball towards home plate. Well, my subject, this sentence is about the boy. So the subject in this sentence is boy. Sharon and I play on the swings. Well, this sentence has two subjects, Sharon and I. So this sentence is about both Sharon and I. All right, so that's, you guys, what did you notice? Here our subjects are at the beginning of the sentence. That often is going to be the way it is. All right, let's look at this word called direct object. All right, so let's have a think. What is the direct object? A direct object is the thing that is being acted upon in the sentence. This is going to receive the action that is happening in the sentence. Let's look for an example. So here, you guys, it says, Sonia plays the violin. Well, Sonia is what the sentence is about, so Sonia would be called the subject of our sentence. Plays is the action. That's what's happening. What are they doing? They're playing. And then, you guys, violin is the direct object. It's what's receiving the action. So Sonia is the subject. What is she doing? She's playing. What is she playing? The violin. So this right here is our direct object. Direct object. Not something we hear all the time, but very important piece to remember. Let's practice being able to tell which parts of the sentence are the subject, which is the action of the sentence, and what are our direct objects. What's receiving, what's happening, who's receiving the action. Molly bought an ice cream and a candy bar. Oh, I can tell who this sentence is about. This sentence is about Molly. This is her subject. What is the action? This word has a name too. It's called the verb, just like the subject is called a noun. So what is the verb? Molly bought an ice cream and a candy bar. Well, her action, this is what she did. An action is the doing part. She bought is the verb. It's the action word. And what did she buy? What actions? What did she do? What did she buy? She bought ice cream and candy bar. those two things are your direct objects. That's what's being acted upon. All right, so today for page 7 and 8, oh, sorry, guys, for page 5 and 6, you're going to go through and use Kami to circle or underline the direct objects and the subjects. So be sure to read those sentences. Up here it has a review page of what a noun, a subject, and a direct object are at the top of each page.